Have you ever noticed something strange? There are people who can walk into a room without saying a single word, without trying to get attention, yet everyone around them naturally goes quiet and shows them respect. They don't use power or noise, but there's an energy around them that makes people see them differently. Do you want to know the real secret behind that? I promise, it's not what you think. I used to be the complete opposite. I lived like a ghost, invisible in every sense. At school, at work, even in social gatherings, people would pass right by me as if I didn't exist. It felt terrible. It wasn't just loneliness, it felt like my value didn't matter. I believed I was born without that presence and would always stay on the sidelines. But then something changed. I started observing, experimenting, and adjusting just 5 small things. Only 5. And suddenly, like magic, my world completely flipped. People who used to ignore me started listening when I spoke. They began asking for my opinions. They gave me a level of respect I never thought I'd have. The craziest part? I was actually talking less than before. Today, I'm going to break down these 5 secrets for you, ranked from the most basic changes to the most powerful weapon. These are not manipulation tricks or complicated skills. You can start applying them today, right now, without any special background. Remember, real respect doesn't come from trying to look intimidating or forcing yourself to act tough. It's a kind of psychological magic that, once you understand how it works, can change your life forever. I've tested this over the past 3 years on myself and the people around me. So stay fully focused, because what's coming next will permanently change how the world sees you. That dramatic transformation doesn't start with big, flashy actions. It begins with something much simpler: how you position your body in the space around you. The first secret is the posture of a winner. If you observe a crowd, you'll notice most people are unconsciously sending signals of defeat. They walk with slouched shoulders, their heads slightly down, eyes toward the ground, trying to make themselves as small as possible, almost like they're apologizing for existing. That's the fastest way to become invisible. In contrast, people who earn respect know how to take control of their space. They stand tall, shoulders open, and keep their head up naturally, not stiff like a robot, but relaxed and grounded. Why is this so incredibly powerful? Because your body language speaks before your mouth ever does. When you stand tall and take up space, the brains of people around you automatically trigger a psychological signal. This is someone important. They respect you on a subconscious level without even knowing why. Right now, whether you're sitting or standing, try pulling your shoulders back slightly and straightening your spine. Do you feel that shift inside you? That's the energy of confidence starting to rise. Just a small change in your posture can completely transform how the world responds to you. If you're ready to drop the timid version of yourself and step into the presence of someone in control, comment the number 7 below. Once you've mastered your outward appearance, the next step is mastering the rhythm of your movements to project authority. The second secret is the power of slowness. There's an interesting truth. People with high status and natural respect are almost never in a rush. They move calmly, speak deliberately, and act as if they have all the time in the world. On the other hand, people who feel anxious or lack confidence tend to rush around, fidget, and talk quickly, like they're afraid of being interrupted. In psychology, slowness signals control. When you're not rushing, you're sending a powerful message that you're in charge of the situation and nothing is pressuring you. Imagine a meeting. Someone who bursts in and talks non-stop is always perceived as less credible than the person who walks in calmly, sits down slowly, and only then begins to speak. Slowness creates a magnetic space that draws people in, making them curious and subtly forcing them to match your pace. Starting today, try slowing down a little, pause more when you speak, and watch how people begin to wait patiently to hear your thoughts. That's when real power starts to form. But that slow, controlled rhythm only reaches its full potential when you can connect with others through an invisible yet powerful link. The third solution is the power of eye contact. This is one of the biggest psychological barriers, but also one of the most powerful turning points in building respect. Most people avoid eye contact during conversations. They look down at the floor, glance at their phones, or stare off into space. This unintentionally signals a lack of confidence and makes their words lose weight. In contrast, when you look directly into someone's eyes, you're affirming your self-worth and sending a clear message that you are in control of the conversation. However, the key is not to stare in a stiff or uncomfortable way. Use the golden rule. Hold eye contact for about 3 seconds, then look away for 1 second before returning. This creates a natural, relaxed, yet confident presence. When done correctly, the other person will see you as trustworthy and grounded. I personally tested this when presenting ideas to my superiors, and the result was incredible. Their attention and respect for me increased significantly, even though the content of what I said stayed the same. Comment the number 1 if you commit to practicing direct eye contact in your next conversation. Once you've built confidence through eye contact, use that connection to do something most people struggle with in today's noisy world. The 4th solution is the art of listening like a champion. Most people make a serious mistake. They're just waiting for the other person to stop talking so they can jump in with their own thoughts. They're not truly listening. They're simply preparing their response. The people who earn the most respect do the exact opposite. They listen so deeply, it feels like they're absorbing every word and every emotion. They nod, ask thoughtful questions, and show genuine interest in what's being shared. Why does listening create respect? Because the deepest human need is to feel understood. When you give someone your full attention, you make them feel important. And there's a powerful psychological rule. When you make others feel valued, they naturally give you respect and trust in return. Respect doesn't come from how well you speak, but from how deeply you can understand and stay present with others. You'll start to notice people coming to you more often, not just to hear you talk, but because they value the feeling of being truly heard by you. However, to turn all of these skills into real authority, you need to master a secret weapon that only the most composed people dare to use. The 5th solution, and the most powerful of all, is the weapon of silence. In a world where everyone is trying to be heard, rushing to express their opinions, the one who knows how to stay silent becomes the most powerful person in the room. Silence isn't weakness or a lack of words. It's a conscious choice to observe, analyze, and wait for the perfect moment. When conflict or chaos arises, instead of jumping into the noise, you step back, stay calm, and simply listen. This stillness creates a mysterious kind of presence. It makes people curious, cautious, and wondering what you're thinking. Silence creates a space that others instinctively fill with respect. And here's the most powerful part. When you've stayed silent long enough, the one thing you say after everyone else is exhausted from arguing carries the weight of 1,000 words. Your voice is no longer just sound. It becomes clarity, a solution, even a command. Knowing when to stay silent proves that you're not controlled by emotions or the crowd. You're the one in control of the game. The person who masters silence ultimately masters the room. The power of silence is the final piece that completes the portrait of a truly influential person. But behind all these techniques I've shared, there's a core truth you must understand. All of these methods, adjusting your posture, controlling your pace, maintaining eye contact, listening deeply, and using silence, are not just external tricks. The real secret is this: the respect the world gives you is simply a reflection of the respect you give yourself. When you stand tall, you're respecting your body and your presence. When you move slowly, you're respecting your time and your value. When you listen deeply and use silence wisely, you're respecting your words and your mind. You can't expect others to give you something that you're not willing to give yourself. People often chase validation from the outside, but they forget that presence is something you can't borrow or fake. When you truly believe in your own value, these 5 habits become natural. You won't have to force yourself to be noticed, because your presence will carry a weight that can't be ignored. I've seen this transformation happen in hundreds of people, from the most timid individuals to confident and decisive ones. And I know for a fact that you can do it starting today. Don't try to change everything at once. Pick one method that stands out to you, whether it's posture or listening, and practice it consistently over the next week. You'll be amazed at how people's attitudes toward you begin to shift. If you found this valuable and want to keep improving yourself, mastering your finances, and your mindset with me, hit the subscribe button now. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you don't miss any secrets that can help you change your game. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.